Welcome back to our channel. Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Season 1 of Raising Dion delivered enthusiasts to the lovable little first-grade powered Dion and the invention of his powers. We regarded deep into the foundation of Dion and the advent to key gamers in Dion's lifestyles, consisting of his younger mom, his useless father, and his buddies alongside with his godfather. More in-depth look at Dion's powers Season 1. It delivered Dion's powers and vaguely went into what they had been and incredibly how he was given them. We discovered the years managed with the aid of using his feelings and that he had numerous powers consisting of telekinesis, lightning primarily based powers, teleporting and numerous others. Dion's first official villain, Season 1's huge horrific, turned into the mysterious Crooked Man. The large lightning bolt creature that turned into accountable for killing Dion's father is seeking to kill all first-rate powered individuals. It got here as a surprise to anybody whilst the Crooked Man turned into truly Dion's godfather and pal to the family. We noticed his obsessive dispositions and his unpredictability within inside the display. However, we in no way pictured the lovely person to be the person who is inflicting destruction and is a threat for Dion's thinking about how tons he cared for the 7-year vintage. A love interest for Nicole. Throughout the primary season, we noticed Nicole stare up on two guys who are perfect for each other and Dion. The first being Rashad, Nicole's vintage pal and dancer of the employer she works at. She turned into truly smitten with the aid of using the tall and good-looking Rashad dancing completely of happiness and euphoria in her kitchen, led the after sharing an intimate dance with Rashad. Although we failed to see a number of the person he appears to honestly care approximately, Nicole is an affected and a knowledgeable person together as an individual. The 2D is Dion's very own technological know-how instructor Mr. Anthony, who helped preserve Dion out of hassle and supplied to assist him in any manner. Like Rashad, Mr. Anthony is an affected person and knowledgeable. However, he additionally indicates love for operating with children and he sees Dion's potential. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Return of Mark. The seas of the season confirmed Mark, Dion's dad and Nicole's husband, loss of life in the arms of Pat after trying to keep his pal. Although it was not honestly defined if he honestly died or how he regarded as a ghost-like figure, he is visible on the very seas of the season, together along with his remaining phrases being energy in no way dies. More superpowered friends. In Season 1, we noticed that Dion was not the best superpowered being, mastering from Charlotte, Tuck, and Brayden, who we stated in excesses above. With Season 2 optimistically containing greater plots revolving around Dion and his powers, we are hoping to look for superpowered allies who can assist him defeating the huge horrific in Season 2. Like we have got visible in the Avengers and Justice League, a crew of superheroes is lots greater, a laugh to observe, and the emotion is immeasurable. Biona Labs, one of the most important twists of Season 1, turned into Susan Woo and her crew at Biona Labs. For the primary half of the season, visitors had their suspicions on Woo and her employer, assuming she turned into as much as a no accurate after retaining the song of Dion and having him traced. When she took Dion into the lab, it turned into essentially showed she turned into the villain till she discovered she best desired assist and agreed to permit Dion move if she were given Nicole's cooperation. More Dion and Nicole moments. Some of the maximum gentle and heartwarming moments got here among Nicole and her son. She can be green and younger, however she is an incredible mom with a loving coronary heart for Dion, even marching to Biona and traumatic to look at her son and despite the threat it ought to pose. Raising Dion would not be Raising Dion without the titular person and his mother, so it's affordable to count on Josiah Young to go back as Dion and Alicia Wainwright as Nicole. Given that Dion's father Mark nonetheless technically is not always dead, we are going to be likely seeing extra of Michael B. Jordan on screen. Count Jasmine Simon's cat in for Season 2 as well. The jury is nonetheless out on Pat performed with the aid of using Jason Ritter, who became defeated inside the season finale after dealing with to cover his identification for 9 episodes. After his defeat, however, we notice a storm-like entity with Brayden, any other second exceptional like Dion. Given that cliffhanger, we are going to sincerely be seeing extra of Griffin Faulkner as Brayden. Ruta's appearance, however, is extra up inside the air. The actor did take to Twitter to explicit his pleasure for season 2 upon the series renewal, though so that may be a trace that he is coming back. The relaxation of the assistant forged is a piece of a toss-up. However, we are going to likely see Sammy Haney and Gavin Bunn go back as Dion's pals, Esperanza and Jonathan respectively. Given the medical enterprise, Bayona continues to be around, Ali Ann will possibly go back as Suzanne Wu, the enterprise's head. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.